Oh, bling bling. Nice and shiny. Looks like, well, it's not. You think it is a, no, it's not. Can be a, no, not even a that. This is a ST7. And it's a Hyosung ST7, 7,390 euros. And it's all complete with everything you like. Chrome goodies, chrome covers, huge pipes, nice cast wheels. For that price it has been checked, final inspection, made in Korea. Yep. For half the price of a Harley Sportster, you got this one. Oh. And the 125. You only paid 3,390, so 3,390 euros. But watch out, a euro is $1.35 US. Well, I hear some sounds in the background. I think they're going to start a trial demonstration. Hyosung. Well, the Adiva. Ooh, and the wine. Good wine. Well, be seeing you, tubers. Bye bye.